Hello. I'm Adrian from Weekly Better. Today I would like to show you 7 online business models that you can implement. Online business is a dream for many people today. However, not everyone knows that you can earn money by clicking something on your computer. If you already have a channel to reach your potential customers and you are not making money on it yet, maybe you don't know how and what you can earn. This is why today I have prepared a list of 7 business models for you, thanks to which you can transform your followers into customers and start your business adventure. Of course, there can be many more models and each of them is equally effective. The most important thing is that you choose the model that best suits to you and your business. The most important thing is to give value. Always remember about value. Also remember that you don't have to decide on one model. You can start with one and over time combine them, change them, etc. Business model number 1 is ebook. Ebook, guide, template, checklist. I put it in one category. This is a very simple model where you write once and sell twice or many more. Requires the least amount of commitment. Here are the steps. Decide on a topic, write an outline, write the content, design in Canva, and put it on Gumroad. The second online business model is online course. Like an ebook, you only need to record it once and then you sell multiple accesses. It has a higher potential income than an ebook, but also requires more of your commitment and more work with the client and customers. For this, I would use a sales funnel, which I will talk about in next episode. Steps are similar as with an ebook. Select the topic, prepare an outline, prepare the content, recording, record and assemble the course, choose and prepare a platform, Udemy, Skillshare, or your own platform. Number 3, and I love it, is membership. The membership page requires constant work on adding value to keep people wanting to stay. The advantage is, of course, repeatable income, recurring income. So here are the steps. Topic: prepare, for example, a knowledge base that people will want to pay for, and work on the value inside. The next one is affiliate marketing. You've probably heard of it. It's pretty simple model. You choose the app or tool you are using and you know it's good, remember. You get a commission every time someone buys from your link. Select an application or service. Start talking about it, tutorials, guides, reviews, and encourage buying through your link. The next one is really simple, services. The easiest to introduce because you spend your time on the service. It has high potential income. You need a skill that customers will want to pay for. Until you delegate the task, you will be tightly tied to time. Choose the skill you want to offer. Build a portfolio, even for free if you must, and start looking for clients. Write articles, DMs, call to outreach, etc. The next one is advertising. If you already have a community or channel traffic, you can start selling ad spaces. Steps are: look for sponsors for your content in your niche and put their logo in your content. And the last one, also my second favorite, is SaaS, software as a service. If you have a community, you can ask them about their problems. Choose one and try to solve it thanks to the app. You don't have to be a developer. You can delegate your programming or even try no-code tools, creating applications without writing any code. Find the problem, prepare MVP, minimum viable product, so basic version that solves the problem. Onboard your clients and improve your application with constant feedback. So which one is your favorite? Comment down below. Remember to subscribe to my podcast and YouTube channel. And if you would like to hear more specific information about these models, let me know.